We're using Workiva for our CCAR stress testing process. So all of our governance committee, subcommittee, board reporting is being completed in Wdesk, as well as our white paper documentation to support our assumptions and methodology around our stress testing results. Our efforts in our governance reporting is super collaborative. We have 300 plus folks involved. I would say we've definitely recognized time savings. It's also important to note that it's a better product that we're producing. It's a better product that we're submitting to the Fed, and it allows our executives and board members to be more confident at the end of the day. If we didn't have Workiva, we wouldn't be able to accomplish what we do year in and year out.